have joined HICM Institute for Certificate Investment Banking course. I have learned about capital market business like equities, derivatives, bonds, debentures and banking financial systems as well. Apart from this fund accounting chapter, I have also taught to us like NAV calculation, NAV errors, reconciliation, front office, middle and back office operation work. In financial module, I have learned about ratio analysis, option and IPO pricing model. Teachers here are friendly and help to resolve any issues which are facing to resolve the assignments. And I recommend this course to other students as well who are looking to make their career in investment banking or fund accounting domain.